Just like Nemo, find your own way to survive this ocean at Yugo Park Court, an exceptional student accommodation in the city of Lincoln. The property offers a range of ensuite apartments, each featuring a cozy bed, a dedicated study area with a desk and chair, ample storage space, and your very own private bathroom. Unwind and socialize in vibrant common room or find solace and connection in communal spaces. Additionally, take advantage of on-site laundry facilities for hassle-free laundry days and rest assured knowing your bike is safely stored with our on-site bike storage options. Conveniently located just a short drive from the University of Lincoln and Bishop Grosseteste University, the property is surrounded by fantastic dining options such as Huckleberry Bar and Grill and Thai Marina. On sunny days, relax and rejuvenate in the lush green spaces of the beautiful Arboretum. Or venture into the city center a mere 5 minutes away to explore the historic Cathedral Quarter and picturesque waterfront, perfect for food, drinks, and entertainment. Worry about travel expenses. The property is well connected to a network of bus stops and train stations like Lincoln Bus Station and Lincoln Train Station, ensuring easy access to transportation options. So what are you waiting for? Book your room now at amberstudent.com and embark on a memorable journey at Yugo Park Court.